it's Miss Tech Boss here, and in today's video we'll be talking about how you can hide the icons in your Windows 10 PC. So without further ado, let's get into it. So all you have to do to make the icons go away is right click on an empty space on your home screen and click on the view button on the top, and in the bottom of this list you can see a button called show desktop icons. Uncheck the show desktop icons button just by clicking on it, and there you have it. The desktop icons are now gone and they are not visible anymore. So if you don't end up with the look that you asked for and you want to bring the icons back, all you have to do is right click again, go to view, and in the bottom you can see a show desktop icons button, and click on that once again and the icons will reappear on the screen. So that's it for the video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, a sub to the channel would be awesome. And I'll catch you in the next one.